Hi there. Finding the 5 best 4-wheel golf pushcart reviews worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Caddy Tek 4-wheel golf pushcart. Everything about the new Caddy Tek 4-wheel golf pushcart is a choice for the golfer that loves to walk the course. Whether you are spending your days on a flat golf course or walking with hills, the Caddy Tek still has the technology necessary to perform. The wheels on the Caddy Tek are large, which allows you to put even your heavy cart bag on the pushcart and have no issues getting it around the course. I also noticed that there is plenty of traction on the wheels and the cart rarely feels as though it is going to tip or spill over. You will notice rather quickly that accessories are the name of the game when it comes to golf pushcarts. If you want to enjoy your round to the fullest, look for the cart to have lots of great features and accessories. This Caddy Tek 4-wheel has a scorecard holder, storage compartment, beverage/cell phone holder, and a mesh net. Number 2. Our second best pick is KVV 4-wheel foldable golf pushcart. If you have not been paying attention, the price of golf pushcarts has recently gone up considerably. The ability to walk a golf course is getting more and more appealing. Golfers also can realize that walking is much cheaper than taking a cart, therefore, the pricing of pushcarts has also gone up. If you want a high-quality pushcart for a meager price, the KVV 4-wheel foldable golf pushcart is a great option to consider. The cart is very lightweight, and it is sturdy as well. You will have no issues moving it around the course because of the wider wheels. The wide wheels also help to accommodate a large golf bag if needed. The KVV golf pushcart will not have the same number of features and accessories as other golf cart options, but it does have a waterproof scorecard holder. However, this is probably not the best choice for those who walk the course every day and want attachments and features. Number 3. Our third best pick is Morinome golf pushcart. The whole purpose of getting a golf pushcart is to get some weight off your back. The last thing you will want to do is purchase a golf pushcart that is incredibly heavy and difficult to maneuver. The Morinome Golf 4-wheel folding compact golf pole cart is a great solution. This pushcart weighs only 18 pounds. Our golf pushcart can be easily folded by one click button with only 16.75 pounds and perfect size. Having to fold this Morinome model takes seconds, and it is a very compact fold that will fit in any car. The construction of the pushcart is aircraft-grade aluminum, which makes it quite durable. You will have room for storage, a scorecard, and even a large mesh pocket storage area. The maintenance-free wheels make it easier to maneuver around any type of terrain and up and down hills. Although this may not be a brand you have heard of, don't be afraid to give it a shot. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Tangkula golf push-pull cart. Tangkula is known for making very affordable golf products, however, this pushcart is their premium model. With one step, you can fold this pushcart down to an easy-to-manage the size and store it in your car or a garage. We like the overall finish of the Tangkula. It is a sleek and modern-looking pushcart. The Tangkula pushcart is made with aluminum, so you won't have to deal with rusting through the years. It has an adjustable handle that can change to different heights and angles as well. The adjustability is what makes this one of the best golf pushcarts for women. The pushcart's bottom has a wide base to accommodate your golf bag regardless of the size. The straps are also adjustable, so you can get the bag to fit on exactly as you need it to. When you go over bumps or up and down hills, you do not want the bag to slip off the pushcart. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is MEARTEVE 4-wheel golf push-pull cart. Almost all push carts collapse in some fashion, often into pretty awkward configurations that look almost like a tripod on wheels, which introduces a lot of negative space in your trunk or closet. However, the MEARTEVE 4-wheel push cart has a much sleeker compact appearance. Follow a simple, two-step sequence, and the 15-pound cart collapses into a small. The push cart also doesn't hold back on the features. The aluminum frame is pretty strong to handle the dings of the course, with an adjustable handle and bag supports, a parking brake on the left rear wheel, and oversized wheels that move smoothly and will conquer rough terrain. You'll find a scorecard holder, drink holder, and a bracket for an umbrella holder in front of the ergonomic handle. And if you happen to have a MEARTEVE golf bag, the push cart is compatible with the brands, which utilizes 2 pins that attach the bag directly to the cart for optimal secure steering. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.